In this video, I will show you how to download and install Minecraft Fabric. So first, we need these two links. I will leave this in the description so you can easily access the links. So first, we will go to the download for Windows. If you have any other system, you will need to click on this universal heart, but it's the same process for both. I will choose Windows. And now we just open. Here you have different options. You can select the beta versions, but I will choose the latest version. You don't need to change this, and if you have Minecraft installed in any other folder, you will have to find it, but by default this will find the folder. Also remember to click to select this option, the create profile, and I will do the last version, and we click on install. Once it's installed, you need to open the launcher. This will appear, and now we go to the launcher. As you can see in my launcher, in the bottom left here, you will be able to see this. This is now the Fabric loader. If for any reason this is not showing to you, you need to go to the installations and now make a new installation. Here you can select the version, and you will probably find this in the version. So you will now to click on here, select a name. You can leave it, for example, Fabric, and now we just install. Now probably this will appear here. Not as you can see it's installing, but you can go to play, and once it installs, you can go to the game. Okay, so it's installed. Now we need to open the game at least once, so it can install all the folders it needs for the mods to load. So we will just open the game, and now we have to do one other step. Once we opened our game and close it, we need to go to the folders because we have to install something. So first let's open that folder. You go here to installations, and now you click here to open the folder for Minecraft. And now we here find this mods folder. We'll just open this, and now we have to go to the second link that you can find in the description. We need to download now the Fabric API. This will be needed for any mod you want to install, so this is pretty necessary. And because we installed the latest version, right now the latest stable version is this one, the 1.21.4. You can also click here and select the version, so we will do that. I will use this version and now click on download. Once it's downloaded, we go to the folder where it downloaded. For me, it's the downloads folder. We now just copy and go to the mods folder and paste it. This will make any mod compatible, so if we go to the launcher, this will be working fine and you will be able to install any mod you want. So as you can see, this is working perfectly fine, and now we will be able to install any other mod we want. So that's everything. If you like the video, leave a like and subscribe. See you next time.